Okay, so we're going to take this the next step further. We're going to add a method from a test perspective. So let's do that now. So it should return hello world. And say hello called. Now again we're going to create a greetings class instance, local variable. This time we're going to expect a result back, and that will be obtained by calling the say hello method. As you can see, this doesn't exist yet as the compiler's telling us, so we can create that method in the greetings class, and currently we're going to return null, and we'll go along and assert that result is equal to hello world. Okay, we'll import that. Okay, now if we run that test, we should see it fails. And it fails because null is being returned, not hello world. We can then go into the implementation. So we've got our red. We're going to create our green now and return hello world. Let's go back, rerun that test, and we should see it goes green. Okay, so we added a method from a test perspective, so only adding the criteria that we need. Yeah, see you in the next lesson.